In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change audio pitch in DaVinci Resolve. Changing pitch is a great way to subtly improve a voiceover, match dialogue between takes, or create creative effects without altering the timing of your clip. I'll walk you through the exact controls you need and share a few practical tips so your results sound clean and intentional. Start by opening the DaVinci Resolve app. Give it a moment to load your project or create a new one, and make sure the media you want to work with is available. Next, select the clip you plan to adjust. If it's part of a larger edit, make sure you've got the right section ready so you can hear the effect in context. Now click directly on the audio clip in the timeline. Selecting the audio portion ensures the changes you make apply to the correct piece. If your video and audio are linked, clicking once will usually select both. That's fine, but the pitch settings we're about to use target the audio. Head to the top right of the screen and click the inspector button. The inspector is where Resolve exposes clip level controls. If it's already open, you're good to go. If not, one click will expand it and pin it on the side so you can keep working as you listen. Inside the inspector, switch to the audio tab. This is where Resolve groups all the essential audio adjustments for the selected clip, from levels and panning to the pitch tools we need. Scroll down until you find the pitch section. This area provides two precise controls for changing pitch while keeping the clip's timing intact, which is key for maintaining sync. Use the semitones control for broad changes. Dragging to the left applies negative values, deepening the voice or lowering an instrument. Dragging to the right applies positive values, raising the pitch. One semitone equals a single musical step, so it's a solid way to make clear intentional shifts. As you adjust, play the timeline to audition the change and aim for the smallest move that achieves your goal to avoid artifacts. For finer tuning, use the cent control. A cent is 1/100th of a semitone, perfect for micro adjustments when something feels slightly sharp or flat. Dial in cents after you've set semitones to land exactly where you want. That's it. Open Resolve, select your clip, click the audio in the timeline, open the inspector, switch to the audio tab, scroll to pitch, then shape the sound with semitones and refine it with cents. Listen critically on good headphones, make subtle moves, and play back often to confirm it sits naturally in your mix.